today I'm gonna try using this jaw puller on this riding mower engine. I know this is the flywheel. I don't know what this part's called. So I think 8 inches should do it. Well, like I said, I haven't done this before, so bear with me. See if it works. We did the same thing with the ball joint remover, but I'm gonna take some grease, just spray on the threads to keep it from binding. That should help. Okay, so I got everything lined up. If it's incorrect, please let me know in the comments. The nut on top is a 17. So I'm just gonna start tightening this up, and that should start to loosen it. It's coming out. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the pop that just happened, but it looks like it just broke itself free. I've been switching between the ratchet and the breaker bar just because with the leverage is a lot easier. So it did pop out. So it came right off. I think part of the issue was me being lazy and not cleaning that up. I think if I removed some of that, whatever that is, it probably would have been a lot easier. But wow. I guess this is one of those instances where it really pays to have the right tool for the job. Could not imagine getting it out any other way. If I'm mistaken, please correct me below, but I definitely will be keeping this. It definitely paid for itself. And this one comes with 4. I would highly recommend it.